Today I'm going to share with you my Range Rover. This is year model 2010 and I'm having issue with my air suspension. So you've seen the suspension fault, so the air compressor is gone bad. My air suspension is not working because the air compressor itself gone bad. I will show you how it looks right the moment. It's not working. I did bought a refurb part and I will list the part number in case if you having a problem with your air compressor and you want to change yours. If you take a look at this moment, so now the first step will be very important step, and we're going to remove the negative terminal. After opening the hood, the battery is located right here on the passenger side. So we're going to remove the negative terminal. Please make sure that you remove the negative terminal prior to working on air compressor. So this is the rear. If you look at how the suspension supposed to be, this is the wheel. It should be up here. You can put your hand like this, and right now it's not working. It's just gone down. And so I'm going to change the air compressor and let me show you how to do it. This one has a 8mm 4 bolts up here. After opening it, this is the compressor itself. The compressor is located in the trunk. When you open it, it has a wheel on top of it. We're going to remove the wheel. So this is the air compressor, and I took the cover off, and this is how it looks. And this is the working from another Range Rover. After removing the tire from the trunk, and this is the one compressor here, we're going to remove the 4 bolts. Then we're going to swap this working one with the bad one. There are 2 on the back. So these are the 4 bolts we removed it. Also, it's a good idea to remove the trunk cover. So if we open it, this is the compressor right in there. Once we remove the cover from the top, this is how it looks, and this one required 12mm. We're going to remove the air lines, all these air lines from top of it. It's a good idea to leave it like a 1 or 2 thread because you don't want anything to go inside. When we're going to put it in, one by one, we're going to remove it, and then we're going to replace with the other one. So be patient, don't force it because you don't want any pieces to get damaged. We're going to remove it 1, 2, 3. So the first step is removing the existing airline. So be patient and keep removing. Don't force it because we're going to use the same one. Once removed, and also the electrical connectors, we're going to remove it. We're going to unplug all these electrical connectors. After removing the compressor line, the air pipe, put it on the side, and these are the electrical connections. First you remove it from here by pressing it from here, and when you press it, it comes out. The second one is right here. So this cable harness, the third one goes right in here. You remove that, and the fourth one goes in here. So you remove it. When you remove it, this one has, and we're going to use the pry tool, and we're going to pry it out. After removing the electrical connection, put it on the side, and this is the air compressor line. Now we're going to remove these 4 bolts. So now we're going to pull the whole compressor out. Just like this, you take it out. So it's important that we remove all the bolts from all 4 corners, and this is the old compressor comes out. And now we're going to replace with the new one. Once we place the air compressor back, we put the bolts back, and now in a reverse order, I'm going to tighten these air line. Then I'll put these electrical connections, and once I'm done, then I'll share with you. After installing air line and finally the electrical connections. And this is it. And now we're going to put the cover back on. Prior to that, we're going to test it. As you've seen it, the job has completed. Now we're going to go back onto the hood. We're going to put the negative terminal and we're going to start it, and we're going to see the air compressor kicks in and our Range Rover lifts up. After that, we're going to put the cover and we're going to put the things back in place. As soon as the air compressor will kick in, and we'll see it start rising. Since we changed the compressor, so it's totally deflated, and now it's going up fast. Now it's a 2-finger, now 3, now it's a 4-finger. So the air compressor working all perfectly fine. So now I'm going to go back in the trunk and I'm going to put the cover back, and look at this. We can put our hand in there. So air compressor is working good. It was a reefer compressor, but it's working good. So that's all. Was easy to fix it, and if this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.